What's going on, guys? How are you? How are you doing? Today we want to talk about how to trade the volatility 99, which is called the FX Vol 99 on Weltrade, right? And I'm going to teach you how to scalp this, and we're going to be doing this on the M1 time frame. So before we go there, I just want you to get the theory behind this strategy that I'll show you. So this strategy needs someone who is very fast and someone who is decisive, and this is something that you cannot get following signals because it's too fast. So this is how it goes, right? You have market structure going like this, you have market structure going like this, right? Or the other way. So what you need to do is to understand what happens on the highs and what happens on these lows. So this is the M1, it's very fast, but remember, price is fractal. What happens on the higher time frame is the same things that happen on the M1 time frame. So this is what you are going to see. All right, when price actually breaks a high like this, right? It goes up, right? It doesn't just break and come back. So what we are going to be discussing is the breakout strategy. So you want a breakout, and remember, scalping. So you want to be holding for 1 to 2 minutes. You are waiting for a move that is similar to what is here. All right, there's a retracement, then price goes up. So it's 1 in 1. If you are risking $10 for $10, simple, right? So this is what you are going to do. You are going to wait for a break. You take your trade, you go. You wait for a high to be locked in. You wait for a break again. So number one, you are going to identify the trend. Then you are going to trade in line with that trend. So here you have price breaking a high. You want it to break as soon as it closes above the high, then you enter. As soon as it closes below a high, then you enter. So you want what you call a clean close. So when you are talking about a clean close, we're talking about something that you can't argue, right? If you see a close like this, right? Let's say the low is here, then this is the close. This is what you call a clean close. Then a not so clean close is something that looks like this, where maybe price closes here like that. Then there's a wick, there's something. This is not a clean close because it didn't close below. Or this is true for what for buy options where you are seeing price going up. So this is what you are going to do. You are going to be waiting for a break. You load here, then you go for 1 in 1, you are out, right? You load again, you go for 1 in 1, you are out. 1 in 1, you are out. So guys, we're going to be scalping, but the scalping is going to be what? 1 in 1 like that. And the rules are simple. You identify the trend. That's rule number 1. Rule number 2, you identify a high or a low, right? If you identify the trend, you identify the high or the low. That's rule number 2. Rule number 3, you wait for a clean close. As soon as it closes, you are in, right? And rule number 4, you go for 1 in 1. Don't be greedy. Don't be greedy. Go for 1 in 1, right? And that is done. Let's go to the charts and let's see what is happening. This is the FX Vol 99 on the M1. And remember, these indices are found on a broker called Weltrade. I have the links in the description down below. What you need to do, click that link. It will take you to a page where you can register your account, and make sure you choose a Syntax account when registering your account, right? Don't choose a pro because these ones are not available on the pro account, but you can choose a pro account if you want to trade currencies, Nasdaq, gold, things like that. But if you want these ones that I'm teaching you right now, you want a Syntax account. So you choose a Syntax account. If you click the link right now, it will take you to a page that lets you choose right away, so you don't have to struggle. Right, that's number 1. Right, we have a trend here. Let's start here where the trend changes. Here we have this consolidation, then here price actually takes out this particular high. This is number 1. So we're not going to enter there. Why? Because this is confirmation of a trend. What we are going to be waiting for is a break of this particular high here. So we are not going to be marking wicks. I don't like wicks, so we're going to be marking like that. All right, So break that's your that's your what, that's your entry. Your stop loss is just below the candle that breaks, because remember, it shouldn't come back to what, to the candle that breaks. Or you can use the whole structure here, where you can put your what, your stop loss at this particular zone here. Then you go for what, for 1 in 1. 1 in 1 will be somewhere here, right? 1 in 1 will be somewhere here, right? So this is how your trade will look like, and you to hit your take profit, right? The next trade, you do this again. What are you waiting for? You're waiting for a clean close. So that one is a clean close, as you can see. So let's zoom in, and you guys, you can actually follow, right? This is a clean close. This is your trade. Your stop loss is right here, right? This is your stop loss, 1 in 1. You get it there, right? Then next trade, you're going to be waiting for a what? A break again, right? This is not a clean close here, as you can see, but this one is a clean close. Your trade is here. You go for 1 in 1 or for 1 candle, then you are out. Then you wait again for a what? A break of a high, right? So here we were here, right? The next high that we are looking for is this one. Price breaks, right? But the close is way above here. You could have entered, but this will probably turned into a loss, right? A stop loss, right? And it's fine, because you're not going to win everything, right? Then we have here, right, this, there was no clean close here, so we wait. And as you can see, there was no clean close again here, so we wait. Here there was a clean close. Where is your trade? Your trade is right there, right here. You are going to enter here, and 1 candle, you are out, because your stop loss probably is below this one this week. So 1 trade, you are out, and that's it for that particular what, for that particular trade. Then you go again. Here there was no clean close there, but there was a clean close there. Close, you enter there, stop loss above this candle, and 1 in 1, you are going. You see, this is a very beautiful strategy if you know what you are doing. Then you come here again, break, clean break here, stop loss up below here, 1 in 1, you are out of the market. Then here again, here this would have turned into a what, into a loss. Why? Because there was a clean close, but price just went down, thereby breaking the what, breaking the low. When this low was taken out, it means that this was a change of what, a change of direction and a change of trend. And probably you would have missed the first one here, but you were waiting for what, for the other one, which was this is the low, clean close there. There was no clean close here, because you see price did not close the way we discussed here. So the clean close would have come at this point. So you enter there, 1 in 1, you are out. And this is the trade that I actually took here. This was my marking of a low here. As you can see, this was my marking of a low. And what did I wait for? I wait for price to clean close. After the clean close, this is my entry. I enter. See, this is actually a proper strategy that you can use, right? You are just waiting for price to break, and you go on the M1, and you are scalping like a boss. This is something that you want to add to your what, to your arsenal. If this is something that you are going to use, let me know in the comment section below, and let me know if you have used this strategy before and how it's working out for you. And remember, if you are not yet a whale trader, they call themselves the whalers, right? If you are not a whaler yet, the link is in the description down below. You just click the link, put in your details, choose a Syntax account, and you can be trading this strategy every day. And this is something that you can do on a daily basis. These indices are 24/7. I will see you in the next one. I'm Shocks, and I'm out.